Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we've got a 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to go over how you'd replace the license plate light. You've got two of them. If you got one of them out, we're going to go over how you'd replace that light bulb. So you can either do this with the trunk down or popped up so you have better access. Either way, there is just a Phillips screw here on both sides. We're only replacing the one. So you loosen that screw. And with it loosened, and you can now pop the whole light element down. Hold enough space out there. And then just twist it up counterclockwise, pull it out, and then pull this light bulb out to replace it, get a new one. And this is a 5W, or it has a number of 12961 for the whole light bulb, which is the same bulb that goes in that inner element also. But you would get a new one, just press it in there, go either way, it doesn't matter which way it goes in. And then line this up so the seat's in there, turn it clockwise to lock it in, and then we start with this tab on this side and press it up into place and tighten the screw. And that's how you replace your license plate light on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.